From windswept expanses that challenge survival, we journey north to a landscape where volcanic forces have created one of Earth's most dramatic mountain formations. First light illuminates granite spires rising abruptly from forested valleys. Mount Fitzroy's distinctive peak catches sunrise before the surrounding landscape, its sheer faces creating a natural cathedral that has become synonymous with Patagonia itself. Fitzroy formed approximately 12 million years ago when molten magma rose through Earth's crust, but cooled before reaching the surface. Over millennia, surrounding softer rock eroded away, exposing the harder granite batholith beneath. This differential erosion process explains why the mountain appears to rise so dramatically from the surrounding landscape.